So this is Bournemouth station. The next train coming in is not for use.
So did you hear them? So the PA system just said, stand away from the train approaching platform 2. This train is not in use. So then it will come from that way to that way. Basically.
Here it comes. 444010.
10.
Sorry.
So basically, that must be a
See it? It might do at the back, won't it?
maybe.
Yeah, it doesn't say it. So what's it going to do now?
I don't know. I've never seen one not in use.
There's lots of people on the platform waiting to get on.
Or it can't.
I don't know.
The door hasn't opened.
I think it's going to turn into something else.
I wonder why it said not.
Oh, I don't know actually. People aren't getting on it. There's loads of people waiting with suitcases on the platform.
So this is what's called an epic fail on camera.
No, I don't know. Let's see what happens next. Come on. Yes, it does. Yeah. Is it going to join?
Yep.
Come on then. Ready? Yeah. Well, that's easy, isn't it? That's easy. Yep.
And then, so now that is the tanker.
Yeah, and it's the 444010 joined to the 444042.
So then you got and then that door on that side opens.
Yeah, and now people can get in, yeah?
Yep. So maybe they didn't know they were going to join. Although I think you must have heard the relay system because it said stand away.
I think maybe the people that were still on it, who were allowed to stay on it, people at the platform, had to join before they got on.
Yeah. Like you know how when we got the train in,
Yeah.
it basically like they could stay on for a bit and then if they needed to get off then that might be doors closing over there. That's interesting. I thought there was another one coming in.
Oh, there's something far left actually. I don't know what it's doing. It's just stopped at the moment. Right down there, where we stopped.
So they might be waiting for this one to go
Yeah.
and then this one and then that other one can come in.
Yeah.
That was interesting. So I wonder what that was.
I don't know.
Let's imagine it's going, I can tell.
Yeah.
Now that's shut down.
So is that one going to wait now?
Until another one.
What time was it going?
13:50.
Okay, so shall I stop for now because we've got 4 minutes?
See if this is it. Oh, that's customer information.
Shall I stop it for now?
We haven't got a box, so. Well, these people will still get on for it now.
Yeah?
Unless if they let it.
Yeah.
I bet I've seen the board and thought, oh, flip. Yeah.
Possibly.
Although people don't seem that panicked, do they?
Well, it's not going for a couple of minutes, is it?
So they've still got a little while.
They have, yeah.
I wonder which one we're going to get on the way back.
I don't know, the board hasn't got any on it. Oh, this one has, hang on. We're platform 3, aren't we? There's one to Dorchester South at 14:39. There's one to Poole at 14:24.
So which one might next?
I don't know, what time is it now? Oh, hang on. Yeah, that next one is not till 2:39.
13:47 at the moment.
Blimey, so we've got another hour here. Okay.
Although it's not too bad.
It's just a bit cold.
I quite like it in here anyway.
Good.
I've seen hundreds of videos of trains being filmed here.
Yep.
And I bet I'm another user that's filmed here. I bet this place is really famous.
Yeah. Should I stop for a minute? Or am I going to keep filming?
Although 3 minutes until that one goes, so not too bad.
There's 3 minutes of nothing there except us chit-chatting.
Although we can
You do that for a minute then.
anyone hasn't
You
been
go.
here.
You do that then.
So you're going to hand the camera over. So, for those of you who've never been here, this is Bournemouth Station on platform 3, you can see. And then according to this board, which is
On the right.
up there somewhere, that one over there isn't scheduled to go until 13:50. So then,
13. Oh no, 50, sorry.
oh hang on, I bet one of the guys just said ready to go.
Yeah.
So, that is a really good whistle. That's really good.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then once this one goes,
yep. So should I get on the same video or? Sorry if this video is very long. Oh, you can see it. That took a while. That took a little while, didn't it? Maybe it struggled to get going for a second there. Yeah. Oh, anyone that wanted to see a 450 here, by the way, I would have needed to come here a different day, like during the week.
okay, stop that one.
And that's it.